Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Did you know that barbers have to do nails too? Nails are a very small chapter in the textbook, and I'm going to discuss 3 things about this chapter. In the chapter, we describe the nail unit. The nail is a horny, translucent plate of hard keratin that serves to protect the tips of the fingers and toes. Now, in that sentence, I use the word horny. It has nothing to do with sex. However, there are people out there who are turned on by hands and feet. The definition that pertains to nails is having a hard, callous surface or texture. Next, let's talk about nail growth. Now, nail growth is influenced by nutrition, health, and disease. A normal, healthy nail grows forward, starting at the matrix and extending over the fingertip. The average rate of growth in the normal adult is about 1/10 of an inch per month. And just so we can squash the rumor mills out there, nails grow faster in summer than they do in winter. Here's another fact. The middle finger grows the fastest and the thumbnail the slowest. Now, I used to bite my nails and wondered why that thumbnail wasn't ready by the end of the week. Last thing I want to discuss is the terminology behind nails. Let's start with Beau's lines. No, that's not someone practicing their lines for a new show on TV. It is actually visible depressions running across the width of the natural nail plate. Leukonychia spots, and that definitely sounds like I'm calling somebody. Get in here, leukonychia! But it is actually known as white spots. Leukonychia is whitish discolorations of the nail, usually caused by minor injury to the nail matrix. Now, some of the terminology associated with nails sounds like I am speaking another language. Koilonychia, leukonychia, melanonychia, and nail pterygium. Now, there are many more terms associated with nails, but we are not going to get into all of them today. Now, in summary, we talked about the nail unit and discussed its horny layer. We then talked about the nail growth pattern and when it is going to be a long nail season or a short nail season. And then we discussed the terminology that goes with nails, all the chias and ridges and lines that make up nails. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. You can also find us on Facebook at Howard Brown Online Barber College. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.